As many of you know, I've been busy for the last 9 months revolving around my baby Leon, and I've been living under this rock of motherhood. So I only just discovered that Hermes have finally put on the shelves their Constance belt bag from their autumn-winter runway show. Called the Constance Compact Passant Wallet, it absolutely blew my mind. Like many of you watching, I told myself you would never catch me in a fanny pack. But then everything changed when I saw the Constance belt bag. The mini slim proportions are so flattering on your figure. The signature H clasp is iconic and glam, balanced by the clean, minimal lines of the simple square silhouette. So you can imagine how heartbroken I was when I was told by the essays last year that the Constance belt bag was not going to go into production. It was going to remain only as a runway concept. But for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I sneakily did my own DIY belt loop at the back of a classic Constance Compact Wallet. So I have been actually styling this as a belt bag since about March this year. Today I'm going to model for you some of my favorite outfits to show you just how versatile this belt bag can be, followed by a detailed look at the design and cost implications of whether you want to buy the real thing straight from Hermes or do you want to conduct a simple DIY like I did. And last but not least, is this tiny belt bag as practical for your lifestyle as it is cute and chic for your wardrobe? A huge thank you to my amazing subscribers for joining me today. Let's get into it. For ultimate styling flexibility, choose the Constance Compact Passant Wallet in Noir. It makes it so easy to style with any neutral piece in your wardrobe. Here I've chosen a white dress so that the belt bag really pops visually, and I love how the padded shoulders and high neck add drama to an otherwise simple and clean silhouette. The white lace introduces another texture to my outfit to contrast with the striking Hermes Epsom leather grain. Of course, another perk to choosing noir is that your belt bag instantly speaks the same language as other wardrobe staples like your black leather jacket. These two pieces are just made for each other and add a grungy twist, especially when you include my chunky LV Star Trail ankle boots. The Constance Compact Passant Wallet is really flattering thanks to its petite form and crisp detailing. Therefore, I like to pick outfits which are similarly well tailored with sharp, clean lines, such as my silk cami with a striking V neckline and my fit and flare skirt. Chanel pearl mules naturally glam up the outfit, but you can always throw on a denim jacket if you find that it's a bit too formal. Of course, denim opens up a whole new world of styling possibilities. I like to think of the Constance Passant Wallet as essentially an oversized functional belt buckle, so you can easily feature it in outfits where you would typically accessorize with a belt. For example, here with my denim dress and Gucci pearl loafers. It's youthful and relaxed. If you ever bump into me on the streets, this is my mummy's zero to hero go-to outfit. Double denim is comfortable and hard wearing at home when I'm playing with my baby, but throw on some killer boots and this elegant Constance Passant belt bag, and this 30-year-old finally has some street cred. It's winter right now in Sydney, so I often throw my parka on top, but I love how the masculine feel of this khaki coat adds to that urban persona. On top of the previous boyfriend jeans, I also swear by high-waisted skinnies, which I'm styling here with other essential basics like a black cami. The natural elegance of the Constance Passant belt bag stems from its clean simplicity, so I'm channeling the less is more philosophy here. Again, being winter in Sydney, I like to add my teal coat for that restrained pop of colour, and a boxy silhouette is a great way to contrast the feminine pieces under, like my silk cami and Jimmy Choo glitter heels. Here I'm styling another high neck basic together with a statement leopard print skirt. The thick shimmery fabric catches the light and really gives structure to the origami style. And naturally this works with the clean lines of the structured Constance Passant wallet. I complete this look with my Chanel pearl mules. Most fanny packs wouldn't dream of a cocktail or dinner setting, but I believe the Constance Compact is truly an exception to the rule. Since the square is graphically bold but mini in proportion, I like to wear it to one side. And it has the added benefit of making your waist appear smaller by obscuring the perceived width of your body. For a siren dress, my choice is always Louboutin heels. Of course, when you're styling noir, you have to wear black on black. So I'm wearing here one of my favorite jumpsuits. The soft draping fabric is a lovely way to contrast and heighten the sharp lines of the Constance Passant, and I've chosen Gianvito Rossi plexi heels with the gold highlights to echo the H gold hardware clasp. Finally, for those of you with wrap coats that pinch at the waist, it's perfect for styling the Constance Passant belt bag as a coat clasp. My full-length maxi coat lets accessories pop, and that's definitely the case here with a striking boxy Constance silhouette. Caramel and noir are a neutral match made in heaven, and this is one of the few exceptions where I do prefer to wear the Constance Compact Passant belt bag centered on my body instead of wearing it to one side. I've chosen my Manolo Seneca heels to complete this look. The Constance Compact Wallet and the Constance Compact Passant Wallet are absolutely identical, except for the addition of a new belt loop at the back. Of course, since it's Hermes, every small change still has a significant price tag, more than $400 to be precise. On the other hand, it only costs $50 for my local cobbler to add a handmade belt loop on the back of my classic compact wallet. While the belt loop pierces the back pocket, the central placement doesn't restrict its functionality, and it ends up being the perfect width for 2 external card slots. Before you jump to DIY, it's worth noting that it will likely void the warranty, and Hermes may not accept your compact wallet for future repairs. Fortunately, Leather Surgeons, an independent company in the United States, is renowned for their repair and restoration of Hermes bags. So my solution is to simply use their services in the future. And I am confident in their ability because they currently handle all of my vintage Chanel repairs. They've done an amazing job for a really fair price, which I will share with you in a future video. So, you're excited about the endless styling possibilities and you're fine with Hermes' signature steep pricing strategy. But what about functionality? Is this tiny belt bag as practical for your lifestyle as it is a showstopper around your waist? The size is so compact that even when I bend over or sit down, I can't feel it. The magnetic clasp is really easy to operate one-handed. The internal organization is really intuitive. It's easy to navigate between separate compartments, and you can find your belongings without even looking. You can still use the external back pocket, as I've mentioned previously. But even at capacity, there's no room for your keys or your phone, let alone your makeup or anything else you deem an essential. Belt bags are a great solution for travel, so you can deter pickpocketers, and they can be a convenient hands-free solution for crowded, messy scenarios like a mosh pit. However, when it comes to the Hermes Constance Compact Passant wallet, it eludes so much wealth and class that it's essentially overkill for either of those situations. So far, it seems that it's primarily offered only in Epsom leather, which makes a lot of sense since it's durable and scratch resistant, so you have that peace of mind. Ultimately, when you look past the ridiculous price tag and the risks associated with long-term care and repair, if you do choose to DIY, alongside the limited carrying capacity, I dare say there is no belt bag that is more flattering and more stylistically versatile than the Hermes Constance Compact Passant wallet, especially if you choose one in a classic neutral tone such as black with gold hardware. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again next month when I take you step by step through how I score my pre-loved Chanel for up to 40% off. Take care and stay safe until we meet again.